Everybody faces challenges, and I was no exception. I had gone to many, many, many people. As a child artist, I have done plays for Doordarshan and BBC Hindi. It's pretty interesting. Yeah, it's very fantastic. Actually, I'm so happy and I'm so blessed. I am doing what I dreamt of.
Hello everyone, welcome to Success Story Season 2, a talk show presented by Trident Communication in association with World Humanitarian Foundation. I am Sneha, your host for today, and our guest for today is Manya Pathak. Manya, she is an Indian entrepreneur, a socialite, a speaker, and an actress known for his role in Dilly Darlings. Hello Manya, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, Manya. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, so let's start our show and welcome a very warm welcome to you to our show Success Stories.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Manya, as we know, you are an Indian entrepreneur, you are a socialite, and you are an actress also. So, how your journey started?
It's pretty interesting. Yeah, it's very fantastic. Actually, I'm so happy and I'm so blessed. I am doing what I dreamt of. I've always wanted to be in the public eye. I was always very good with my relations with people. I've always enjoyed and celebrated life. So I'm getting to do all of this. Journey had started. So I'm an engineer and MBA. I worked for corporate for 10 years. My last job was with Microsoft. Then we shifted gears when my husband said that he wanted to start a microbrewery in Delhi. This was the first microbrewery in Delhi. I started helping out in his entrepreneurial journey. Uh, that that was like the big break of our lives. We got into the public eye. Everybody started knowing us. We were with the who's who of the Delhi circle. Everybody started loving us and appreciating us. And I think at the end of the day, if you're doing right, if your heart is in the right place, if you're doing well, and if you're working hard, not depending on anybody, but just having faith in yourself, I think you will get what you want.
So, how did you get into acting? Like it was, as you said, it was your dream. So, how did it come to you?
Actually happened. The seed of acting had been sown really, really, really long time back. As a child artist, I have done plays for Doordarshan and BBC Hindi. I was a drama voice. I have done theatre with Veer Das, with the Yatrik Theatre Group, with Sanjana Kapoor, many other small theatre groups. Then I started focusing on making a career in corporate. Acting, I always wanted to do, but maybe the timing was not right, or maybe I was not getting the right opportunity. Then after many, many, many years, my dream came through. It came true when ZTV guys casted me for Dilly Darlings. They approached me and they said that I think I would be the right person to play this role. And man, they were right. I absolutely enjoyed the journey, and that's how this began for me.
So, how was your experience with Dilly Darlings? As everyone knows you with that show only.
Amazing. I loved it. Yeah, I loved it. You guys should see Dilly Darlings on Z5. You guys will love it. I enjoyed.
Yeah, okay, definitely will. I will watch. So after Dilly Darling, you decided to pursue your career as in the entertainment industry.
That's right.
So was it easy for you to get your that first assignment, or you struggled for it?
No, it was absolutely not easy. Uh, everybody faces challenges, and I was no exception. I had gone to many, many, many people. I thought, after, to be very honest, after doing one show, it will become easy, but it was not. This was just the beginning. I was just another drop in the ocean. And I'm very happy that there were people who helped me out, because of which and because of whom I am at a place where I have done some work, some body of work. And I really think in this industry you really need to keep on striving and working really hard. Like I said, there's no replacement of hard work. if you're absolutely steel focused that this is what you want to do, you actually have to sacrifice a lot. You have to really sacrifice a lot. Like, I don't have time to meet my friends. I really want to meet them. I want to go out, but there are things that, I have my meetings to go to, I have my work to go to. So this is a hardcore level of dedication that one has to do. And also you have to meet on a lot of people. You get rejected a lot, but you cannot give up. It needs another level of mental courage and strength to be able to achieve and dream of achieving where you want to be.
You have done a music video also. So how was your experience with that music video, and what response you get from the public?
So that was really amazing. In fact, I got good response. So I started with the Tauba Meri Tauba. This was on Showbox TV. Then I went on to do couple of 2 3 more music videos. Got offers. I have done music video for Sonotech, Z Music, T Series. Another song of mine is coming. The latest song that is going to come hopefully very very soon, and I'm very excited for this song to come. It's a Punjabi song, and I am really hoping that everybody loves it. My effort to make this song very very successful and popular will be there. It is there for every song. I want this song also to become very popular and loved and accepted by public.
Yeah, that will be. And so, Manya, who has been your biggest support throughout your journey?
My husband. I love him. I absolutely love him to bits. And I really think I will not have been in this position, or I would not have even dared to dream what I'm doing if it was not my husband. He's the one constant person who keeps on encouraging me. He keeps on motivating me. He keeps on driving me to, not to stop anywhere and just complete my journey.
So he is your biggest support system
Yes.
throughout. So Manya, tell us, how do you manage between your personal life and professional life?
It is crazy, yaar. I'll not say that, it's a cakewalk. It is not, believe me, it is crazy. My husband stays in a different city. I stay in a different city. We barely get to see each other because both of us are burdened with work. Uh, and I think the key to making it work is absolute crystal clear level of trust and understanding. He trusts me a lot, and I trust him a lot. And I think because of this distance, what works is the fact that we both want each other to be successful in our career, and we have that kind of understanding, and we have that kind of mental compatibility to support each other.
That's great. Manya, ups and downs are part and parcel of your life. How did you deal with your failures?
I will be honest, it really hurt me a lot. I'm a sensitive person, I'm an emotional person. I get affected, but then there is a process. I let it get affected up till a point. After that, I know that okay, it's me who has to deal with this. It's me who has to deal with the rejection. And then once the process of feeling bad is over, then I say ki either you can keep on mourning about it or cribbing about it for the rest of your life, or you have to get yourself together and act fast and start all over again. So for me, starting all over again has become a way of life, because I have to do that on an ongoing basis.
That's inspiring. And Manya, would you like to share any unforgettable moment of yours with us?
Yeah, actually, there's so many. Every time my project get released, every time something that I thought of and I dreamt of that to create, and it is there in front of my eyes, it's magical for me, yeah, and it's so surreal. But I think the most unforgettable moment of my entire life was when me and my husband, we celebrated our anniversary on Jalesh, and the entire India got to see it because it was televised on the national TV in the episode of Z TV's Dilli Darlings.
Manya, our show works with World Humanitarian Foundation, which is working for women empowerment. So we would love to hear your views regarding the women around the globe.
So I work or function very differently. I think one has to make oneself capable in whatever ways or means that is possible. And one has to start from your home, or from your own community, or from your own family. And I really believe in the example, in the saying called lead by example. If you do it on your own and you can influence even one person to do that, I'm sure the after effect or the aftermath of it is going to be tremendous, because that one person will be the influencing factor for some other group of females. So I really believe in community doing, in leading by example, and influencing in the way where it can make a difference to somebody's life. Because of this also, during COVID, during pandemic, I took it upon me that I will be out there, try to help as many people as possible to get beds, get oxygen, get whatever facilities or whatever, in whatever way I could, serve. And likewise now, when I'm working, I try to work and include as many girls or females, to make them part of my project, or make them a part of my journey in whatever possible way. And also I like to talk to people and use the platform like such as yourself to just give one small message, and that message is, do something that first of all makes a difference to your life. It has to come from a place where it makes you happy. If you're happy, and if that other person can see and they can get influence from that, then it is believable for them to actually go ahead and make it possible either for themselves or people around them. So I think it's very important to believe in yourself first, and make sure that it works for you. Make believe in that. Don't
So
do it
that's a
just
very
because it is
lovely
happening.
message. That's a very lovely message for all of us. So, Manya, our show's name is Success Stories. So, we would love to hear what is your definition of true success?
My definition of true success, to be very honest, keeps on changing. I really think that success is not like the end goal, it's a journey. Presently, success for me is being able to take care of myself mentally as well as physically, and to come out strongly and well out of this pandemic, and be able to do something for my community or for my society or for my family. And over and above that, agar thoda kuch bach gaya, then I would like to make my dreams come true, make them become a reality.
Okay, that was lovely, Manya, talking to you. And thank you very much for
Likewise.
joining us today.
Thank you, thank you. I had a great time talking to you guys. Yeah, thank you so much.
Same here. We loved it. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. Stay tuned for more success stories coming up every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye and take care.
Thank you. Bye bye.